My name is Dr. Kayla and I'm with Balance Within Physical Therapy. Today I want to talk about some tips and tricks for walking on ice, especially in the winter months or even in the spring when March comes around and things start to thaw and then they freeze again. Things can get really slippery and you definitely want to be careful that you don't slip and fall. And I want to give you some tips on how to walk like a penguin. Being a penguin is super important when it's slippery. What you need to do is you need to take small steps. You want to walk with your feet flat and turned out slightly. You want to have a little bit of a bend in your knees so you're nice and loose. You should have your arms out to your side and not carrying a bunch of bags. If you need to carry things, maybe put it on your back in a backpack. And you're going to take very small steps, getting your weight on your leg one at a time, and you're going to shuffle just like you were a penguin. And you really look for anything that's dark or something that looks slippery. Getting in and out of a car, be really careful. On steps, step straight down and not out, and really just think like a penguin. For more information, visit www.balancewithinpt.com. Thank you.